Happy Thursday. We just finished meeting with the whole news and having to problem solve as we work on navigating, saving, and retyping and adding the information on declaring your topic fillable form. So first of all, I'd like to share with you, here it is. Here is the 7th grade HONU, for example, file. And when you go to classwork, you'll see the part where it says declaring your topic fillable form. Those are the directions. That's the video. But you can see here, declaring your topic fillable form, it says download and save. So for example, if something was typed in and you type in your information, you would go to the arrow on download. And I'll just put decoding my sample, let's say Janelle. So we know that's mine. And you can see it's going into the documents. And you hit save. And the key is when you open that up, it will go back to the Google Chrome as if you're going to fill out another form. That's not what we want. What you want to do is go into your actual applications and you'll find the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Make sure the top corner says Acrobat Reader, not Chrome. If it's saying Chrome, it's just looking at that blank document that you just opened up in our Google class. If it says Acrobat Reader, it's in the correct file. This says my computer, and I had to find it in my documents. So there it is. It says decode my sample. And now I'm able to type what I want to type. Let's say add information that I need to add on each of the steps. This is due on December 18th. Go back to the top and you can save it, save as, it's the same name, decode my sample is what I said. Hit save, and then you replace it. And to make sure it's working, you might want to go back again to your Adobe Reader where it says my computer, go to documents, and when I open it up, now you can see the information that I typed in these boxes are saved. So practice that a few times before you start adding information because I don't want you to erase anything. So again, you download, save as, put a name, and then practice. Go back to your applications. Make sure you're opening up the Adobe Reader, and then go to My Documents, and you'll find your file. I hope that helps. Have a good Thursday.